Hey guys, just doing another market analysis for you guys today. So I had a question from a subscriber. He asked what indicators I'm using. So if I didn't make it clear before, I'm using default Bollinger Bands. So that has the upper band, the middle band, and the lower band in the bluish and purple colors. So this band in the middle is just a 20 simple moving average. It's standard for Bollinger Bands, I believe. And then I'm also using like 4 moving averages here, which are just shorter term moving averages. So pretty much just kind of experimenting with anything from around 0 to 10. So something like that. Then I'm using a custom but near default period MACD. So what that means is just that the settings are basically around the default settings. That's all that it means. It's just custom though, but it's near the default settings. So hopefully that helps. That's it. I'm using the free trading view. I just need 3 indicators. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully that helps. So today, to start the Asian session, I took this trade here for a long scalp for 10. It was good, closed it. So hopefully we could see some more selling and to get some more what do you call it? Longs in here maybe would be nice. DXY is looking from a daily point of view, it looked like, as we said, pretty overbought last week. Maybe I can get the drawing panel out today. So, can I get a pen here? Some kind of good color? No colors? Giving me a color? Okay, here we go. What color do you want to give me? Let's just go with the white here so we can see it. Okay, so again, here's where the heavy selling is going to be. Pushing up into the high Bollinger Band again, showing high volatility. A lot of banks, hedge funds are going to be looking to sell in that area. Pretty much. And again, let's just go over the 1 hour trade that I took with the long scalp. Oh, whoops. What happened there? Can I delete that? Okay, so why is that doing that? Oh, is that from the long? Yeah, that's from the long. Okay. Might be, maybe not. Okay. Sorry, that's from the daily chart, I mean. So here is the can I move that up here? Okay, so this is gonna be this is gonna be the heavy buying zone again. Once that band gets touched or starts to go below, that's gonna show a strong selling volatility, right? So Bollinger Bands can show that, Nadaraya can show that. No one really uses Nadaraya. I mentioned that in the past. Banks really use Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels. So it shows strong volatility. It's a good way to show overbought and oversold zones as well. So pretty much, yeah, so that shows the volatility. So I'd watch out for those zones. Can I close the drawing? So I'm just going to close the drawing panel now because we don't really need that. Okay. It's not deleting. Okay. That's alright. So it looks like we could get another buy here pretty soon. Hopefully that dumps really hard, because what we want is we want a really nice... is it still in drawing mode? Okay, can I get the cross? So what we want is a really big spike and a really big dump, right? That's what we want. So yeah, so just going to the... How many minutes is left? 27 minutes, okay. So I moved from the... I don't know if you guys watched the other video, but I moved from the 4 hour to the 1 hour just because my stop on the 1 hour seemed to be better. Like, it seemed to have a better ratio, better stop ratio. Because I was getting about 10 to 15 pips on those trades on the 4 hour anyways, which was bringing my stop risk higher. So trading from a 1 hour seemed better. It seems to be working better, and it's nicer because it's faster too. You don't have to sit here for like several candles waiting to close the position. So I think I'm liking it. So yeah, sorry, that's my cat in the background. So yeah, so again, let's just go over the daily. Looks like we could connect back with that 20 simple moving average. All across the main, even the minor basket too, and the main basket. But if we have a look at the DXY, we can see that looks like it might want to connect with that 20 simple moving average again. We can see the bullish momentum here on the histogram. Candles closing higher. Almost have the signal cross too, as you can see. So signal cross is pretty strong. That's a pretty close to default period MACD. So that's could be getting up. Again, we have resistance all the way up here, which is connecting with that simple moving average 20, right? So we could see that come up higher pretty much across the main basket. So as you can see, everything looks the same. Market-wide correlation. We're pretty much breaking that low from that day that we came low. After that Friday spike, which is at that 1.02799 level. Looks pretty good that we're going to break that level again. At this point, I'd be surprised if we bounce back up, because that's pretty strong momentum, as you can see on the daily chart. So connecting back with that 20 SMA looks pretty good for now. So yeah, that's across the whole major basket of currencies. Looks pretty good. So everything's like that. Everything looks the same. Miners, so I've added all the miners. I decided to add all the miners, which is, it's actually working out pretty good. I thought they don't work as well, but they actually do work they do work good. So for now, we're sticking with miners. No exotics, just miners. They do have some of them have a little. They look different than the major basket though. Kind of having their own trend. The crosses. Whoops. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll move on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's probably have some decline with the strength of the DXY, just fundamentally. Did have some strong selling earlier than we had the nice long scalp here. Connecting back up with those shorter period MAs, maybe even back up with the 20, so we'll see. Oil, I messed up some of my watch list here to add those pairs. So oil having the short last week, testing that low level again of 77, 76 area that we mentioned. So you can see we had those. Sorry, it's lagging for a sec. I'm using Wi-Fi, that's why. Okay, so here we go. So we almost tested that low level again. We haven't seen it. I think we should continue down. We do have some bearish momentum starting here, so we could be continuing down. Again, that monthly MACD did cross down after a long time. So potentially could see closer to $50 a barrel next year. That's what I'm hoping for anyways. So yeah, so that's pretty much about it. XRP having the short over the weekend. I'll just show you guys. So the signal was around here. Didn't actually hit too well on the low volume. Just about better than break even, so that was okay. Crypto algorithms can be we mentioned that it can be kind of manipulated with the whales buying and selling, controlling the pairs, especially the smaller pairs like Ripple and stuff. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Anything you guys want to see, just let me. Oh yeah, the stock indexes. Okay, so we'll go with the stock indexes. ES1, so S&P 500. Dollar strength this week, it looks like, so could be connecting back with that 20 SMA again. So a little bit of decline potentially. So again, we have interest rate hikes coming up soon, I think. I forgot the actual date. Should be coming up pretty soon though. We have a holiday this week, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, so probably dollar strength will start to fade out just fundamentally by the end of the week on Friday. So again, we could be continuing down there for NASDAQ 100. So the Dow Jones. I'll add all these later on again. Oh no, that was wrong. There's the Dow Jones futures, okay. So maybe not as bearish on the Dow Jones, so we'll see. That kind of actually, yeah, could be starting to diverge. So we'll see. Probably it'll follow the other indexes though, if we have dollar strength this week. So yeah, that's about it. Maybe we'll just go for Ethereum. Having some heavy sells. Maybe we might be breaking that level again. How about Cardano? Cardano? Is that the right one? I don't even know that many crypto pairs, to be honest. I don't follow that much cryptocurrency. Mostly just foreign exchange, you guys know. Foreign exchange pairs. I like fiat currency better. It's more stable and stuff, so yeah. For day trading wise, so yeah, pretty much that's having a decline for a long time. That doesn't look too good actually. That's not looking good at all. Doesn't look like it has anywhere to go, to be honest. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. Looks like it just kind of pumped and then it dumped, and we haven't really seen a bottom here. I think that is a bottom. Like there is no bottom here, so that doesn't look very good. We'll just go with Monero too. Monero. Could be swinging. That monthly could be swinging. Again, we still have the federal rates. Oh, so we have the rate hikes continuing for now at least. Potentially pretty much into next year as well. So we'll see how it goes for longer term investments in the stock market and cryptocurrency. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll probably just end it there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, you can like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thanks.